Welcome to New York Times Sudoku Hard Puzzle for Tuesday, November 14th. And this one actually is Tuesday, November 14th. I am so sorry for mislabeling Monday's puzzle as November 14th. I feel so, anyway, thank you. I absolutely apologize. Silly, silly Robin. And also for not doing today's puzzle earlier. Usually I get to it, but I fell asleep early last night. So anyway, we're here and I'm really excited, and that is the most important thing. So, oh, actually this can't be a 3. So this is our 3, which puts 3 up here. So yeah, have trouble talking and thinking at the same time. So we are going to stop talking so I can think. 4. Okay, and I believe that's all we've got for 4. 5. Sync. Oh, between this one and this one, that makes 5. Oopsie, 5 here. Makes 5 here. Okay, I think that's all we've got for 5. 6. Yep. 7. Column 7, 7, 7, which means 7, 7, 8. Is that for 7? Yep, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. All right, so 8s are in this column, so they can't be here. 8 is in this column, so it can't be here, and 8's in this row. So for this square, that has to be 8. Very exciting. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Oh, actually, an 8 can't be here, so we have an 8 here. I think that's it for 8s. Oop. And then we have 9. So 9s are in this column. So can't be there. 9s are in this column, so 9s go here. Okay. Oh, and check this out. This is really exciting. Look at this column right here. So 7 can't be here. We know 7 can't be here because 7's already in this row. So the only other place for 7 is to be right there, which means for this area, the only thing for this column, the only thing for these 2 squares to be is a 2 or a 6. A 2 or a 6. Bring the 6 over. We have 6s right there. 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be a 4 or a 6. We also then have 9s here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, well, this is interesting. Let's hold on. Wait, this can't be a 1. So we're looking at the square right here. It can't be a 1, it can't be a 2, it can't be a 3, it can't be a 4, it can't be a 5. It can be a 6, but it can't be a 7, an 8, or a 9. So this, we know, has to be 6. Exciting. Which means 6, 6, and now we have exclusivity up here. So 1, 6, 1, 6, 2 squares, 2 numbers, so 7 can't be up there. And then that means that, what else do we have? Let's look at this square. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we know this square can't be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. It could be a 5, but it can't be a 6, 7, 8, or 9. So this has to be our 5, which means our 5 goes down here. 2, 3, 4, 5. What else does it mean? 3. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 can be one of those. Oh, well then let's look at this square. It can't be a 1, 2, it can be a 3, it can't be a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So the only thing that can go there is a 3. So 3 can't go here, 3 can't go here, which means 3 has to go here, 5 has to go here, and the one that is left is a 2. Awesome, which means we have 2, 2 here. That's fun. 2, what about this square? That square is oddly empty. Can't be a 1, a 2, it could be a 3, 4, 5. Can't be a 6, it can't be a 7, it can't be an 8, but it can be a 9. Dang it. Can it be a 9? It can be a 9. Oh, well then let's look at the one next to it. This one. This square, it cannot be a 1, 2, it can't be a 3, 4, 5, 6, it can be a 7, but it can't be an 8 or a 9. So the only thing that can go in this square is a 7. So, which means 7 can't go in either one of those. 7 has to go here. The only place for a 9 is here, and the only place for an 8 is here. Well, that's exciting. Take that off, take that off. What else do we have? Oh, 1 square missing. 1, 2, this is going to be our 3. 3, 3. So between this 3, and this 3, we've got a 3 here, which means this is not a 3. This is our 3. 3, 3, 3. Oh, and 3s are kicked. Look at that already. Love it. What about down here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9s. There we go. Okay, what else do we have? 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, not too many. All right. When in doubt, we just put in a whole lot. Let's start from the beginning. Let's start from 1s. 1. Nope. 2s. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2s are here. 2s. Oh, 2s are here. Beautiful. 2, 2. Okay. No more 2s. 3s are kicked. Let's go to 4s. 4, 4. All right. How about 5? 5. Oh, here we go. 5, 5. So now we have exclusivity. 5, 9, and 5, 9. 2 squares, 2 numbers. So no additional numbers can go in here. If 7 goes in here, then you have 1 square for both a 5 and a 9, and that you can't do that. So 7 can't go there, which means 7 has to go here, which also means we have 7, 7. Oh, and we have 1 empty square because 1 is already taken, 2s are taken, 3. This has to be our 4. 5s are taken, 6 are taken, 7, 8, and 9s are taken. So that's a 4. Awesome. Love having a 4. So between this 4 and this 4, we have a candidate of 4 up here, which means for 4, we have a candidate of 4 there. It also means we have 4 down the middle here. Oh, and this can't be 2 because of this guy. So the only place for 2 to go is here, which means the only place for 8 to go is here, and the only place for 1 to go is here. Amazing. All right. 2. Doop, doop. 2. I'm just going through the numbers again because we just filled in a whole lot. 3. Oh, is kicked. 4. Is looking pretty good. 5. Anything in the middle here for 5? Nope. 6. Nope. 7. Okay, oh, here we go. Between this 7 and this 7, 7, 7, which means this cannot be 7, so this has to be 7. Fabulous. So this is either a 4 or 6. Okay. So there's 7. 8. 8 and 8 is gonna make 8. And now we have a 9. Yep. But over here, this middle part's awfully empty. No 9. All right. Let's see, anything here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can go anywhere. 6, 7, 8, and then 9. No, okay. Okay, so let's start looking for some exclusivity, because we know here we can fill these in, because this is a 4 or 6, which we can't fill in. 4 or 6, which we can't fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, check this out. Check out the square. We know it can't be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. It can be a 5, but it can't be a 6, a 7, an 8, or a 9. So this has to be our 5. Fun, right? So this is not our 5, so 5, 5. Okay, can we do that with any others? What can this be? A 1, a 4, or 6. Oh, can't be a 6. So this can be a 1 or a 4. 1, 4, 6. It can be either one of them. Oh, darn. Okay, well that's poopy. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, oh, wait. Oh, it can be a 1 or a 5. All right, if this can be a 1 or a 5, what about this one? It can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4. Okay, yeah, nope, that doesn't help us. But we're on the right track. All right, let's see. I love it when this is cut like this. So 2, 6. Ooh.
What's going on? I'm not getting my attention.
Let's take a look at this square. So it could be a 1, a 2, a 3. Can't be a 3, a 4. It can be a 5. It can be a 6, 7, 8, and it can be a 9. But here's what I see. This is why I wanted to pick this square, because check it out. I'm going to erase all this. Okay. 2, 6, right? So 2, 6. Let's look at this row. 2, 6 can't be here, right? So we know 2, 6 can go here, and the only other place for 2, 6 to go is there. So it doesn't matter what else can be here. We have 2 squares with exclusivity. It's the only place for 2 and 6 to be. So even though it looks like 1 could go there, 1 can't go there, because if 1 goes here, you have 1 square for 2 and 6, because 2 and 6 can't go here. Does that make sense? So we've got 2, 6 exclusivity for right there. Which means 6, 2, 6, we have a 5, we have a 9. The only place for, so 1 we know can't go here. 1 can't go here because there's no other place for 2 or 6 to go than these 2 places. So 1 has to go here. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. I was getting distracted. So we know 1 has to go with one of these 2. All right, I feel like I'm overlapping a couple things. I'm gonna clear the, what am I gonna do? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna clear some things in. So let's do this row, right? It can't be a 1, 2, 3. We've got the 4. It can be a 5 or 9. So we know this can be 5, and this is our 9. Let's do this row. So it can be 1s across. We can still have 2s across. 3. It can't be 4s. We can't have 4s because of these 2 4s. 5. Yep. 6. Yep. 7, 8, and then 9. Okay. That's a lot, I realize. Okay, but once we fill them all in, we won't be making mistakes. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so then going to this square. So 1. We know 1 can't go up here because it has to be down here in this row because these can't be 1. So 1 is set. 2, 3, 4 we know has to go up here. 5 we have. 6. 7 is on the board. 8 is on the board, and 9 is on the board. Beautiful. Okay. Now the only ones left, let's fill in these squares. So these can be 1s, 2, 3, 4s. They can be 4s. 5s we have, and 6. They can be 6. Okay. And then this area. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So everything is filled in of the possibilities. The biggest, the trick is that this and this square has a 2, 6 exclusivity. When this and this has a 2, 6 exclusivity, that means that 1s have to go here, which means 1s can't go up here. And that means, check out this. The only thing that can go in this square is now a 4. So that is the trick to this. So we stick the 4 in, we take that 4 out, we take this 4 out, and we take this 4 out. Now the only thing that can go in that square is a 6, which means the only thing that can go in that square is a 4. So now we take this 4 out, and this 4 out, and this 4 out. We take out this 6. We have a 1, 8, 1, 8 exclusivity, which is fun. We have a whole lot of other stuff going on that's harder to see because I'm much better at putting stuff in rather than doing the whole takeout thing. All right, so we can take that 4 out, this 4 out. Ooh, 5, 9, 5, 9 exclusivity. The only place for a 4 to go is right there. So 4 can't go up here, so the only place for a 4 to go is here. The only place for a 9, and the only place for a 2. Now we are cooking. So we're gonna take this 2 away. Okay. Yeah, see, taking stuff away rather than putting in is much harder for my brain. I don't know about yours, but much harder for mine. Okay. 4, 7, 5, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Oh, we have a 1-6, 1-6 exclusivity. So this cannot be a 1 or a 6, which means this has to be our 9. Yay, which means 9s don't go there. It also means 9 doesn't go here, so 9 goes here. The only place for an 8 is here. The only place for a 1 is here. The only place for a 5 is here. The only place for a 7 is here. Woohoo! All right, 7 cannot go here, so 7's got to go here. The only thing left for that square is an 8. The only thing that can go in this square is a 1, and the only place for 4 is there, which means these can't be 1s. I'm just going to throw a 1 in there. So now we have a 5-6 exclusivity. 4, 4, 6. 1, 1, 6. What else? That's not a 1. So the only place for a 1 to go is right here. 9, 9, 5. Only thing left here is the 5. This cannot be a 2, so 2 goes here, 6 goes here. 6, 5, oh my gosh, so close. 6, 6, and 2. Boom, 21 minutes. Thank you so much.